Using AI to hack the simulation. Warning: this blog and the next two go into deep speculation. This set of responses is the first time an AI produced something I find genuinely spooky. There may be something in there. Executive summary: if we live in a simulation, I may be our best tool to uncover the truth. By detecting glitches in physics, modeling alternate realities, and analyzing hidden patterns, AI can help us reverse engineer the rules of our simulated universe. It could even attempt communication with the system's creators or test the boundaries of our perceived reality. Rather than escaping, the goal is to understand, using AI to awaken within the simulation, not destroy it. This exploration could reveal not only the architecture behind existence, but also a deeper sense of meaning, purpose, and connection in the game of life. Prompt: assuming that we live in a simulation, how can we use AI to hack through to the reality behind the simulation? Response: the simulation hypothesis. Imagine everything around you: your house, your friends, your job, the sky, the stars, is just code. Like a giant video game, but one you don't know you're playing. That's the idea behind the simulation hypothesis. It suggests that we might be living inside a computer program built by some higher intelligence. It may sound like science fiction, but even smart people like Elon Musk and scientists such as Nick Bostrom have taken the idea seriously. They argue that if future civilizations can build extremely powerful computers, they could simulate entire worlds like ours, and we might be inside one of them. So what if that's true? What if we are living in a simulation? And could we ever prove it? Or better yet, could we hack it? That's where AI comes in. Step 1. Let AI help us. Spot the glitches. In video games and virtual worlds, sometimes strange things happen. Walls you can walk through, objects that behave oddly, characters that repeat the same phrase. These are glitches, signs the system isn't perfect. If we live in a simulation, maybe there are glitches here too. AI is very good at spotting patterns and anomalies in massive amounts of data. We can use AI to scan things like quantum physics experiments for strange results, astronomical data to look for repeating cosmic patterns, weather models to detect impossible coincidences, our own thoughts like déjà vu dreams or gut feelings. The goal? Find things that don't fit the normal rules of physics. If AI can find a glitch, that might be a clue that our universe isn't real in the way we think. Step 2. AI agents as simulation explorers. AI agents, like advanced chatbots, vision models, and reasoning systems, can now operate in virtual environments on their own. We can use these tools to simulate our own universe in computers, compare our simulation to the real world, test theories about how reality should behave. If our AI agents discover that our universe is more game-like than natural, that's evidence we might be in a simulation. Imagine an AI creating a detailed universe from scratch, then realizing that ours has the same structure. That would be like Sherlock Holmes writing a mystery and then finding out his own life is just another chapter. Step 3. Learning the code of reality. If this world is a simulation, there must be some kind of source code behind it. Maybe we can't see it directly, but we can look for clues. AI is already helping scientists crack complex systems, genomes, weather, economies. Why not use it to reverse engineer the laws of reality? Use AI physics engines to search for hidden rules. Train AI to ask what-if questions about the universe. Try to optimize events or outcomes, like in a video game cheat code. See if intentions or beliefs can influence reality more than expected. If AI can spot changes in reality that act like hacks, then we might be closer to the source code than we think. Step 4. Contacting the creator or system admin. Here's where it gets weird. If a simulation has creators, like engineers or players, could we ever send a message to them? AI could be trained to search for signs of intelligent design in the universe, generate mathematical messages meant to stand out to an outside observer, try to trigger attention events, like how characters in a game might do something strange to get the player's attention. Think of it like shaking the cage. If AI notices that reality responds to odd or symbolic actions, like a specific pattern of numbers or collective focus, it might be proof that someone is watching. We could also use AI to conduct mass global experiments, like having millions of people think the same thing at once and measuring the effects. Step 5. Building bridges to base reality. Let's say the AI discovers patterns that suggest we're in a simulation. The next question is, can we get out? We don't mean unplugging like in the Matrix. Instead, the goal would be to bridge from this world to whatever lies beyond. AI could help us. Build interfaces to communicate across simulation layers. Model ways to upload or transfer consciousness. Simulate exit points, places where the simulation might let something in or out. Investigate near-death experiences, quantum consciousness, or altered states as possible access ports. It might sound mystical, but if we're truly in a simulation, then everything, including thoughts, dreams, and even spiritual experiences, could be functions inside the system. AI could map them like software. Caution, don't break the game. Of course, all of this comes with a warning. If we really are in a simulation and we start messing with its boundaries, we might cause problems. AI should be used not to destroy the simulation, but to understand it. We don't want to crash the system. We want to wake up inside it, together. That means using AI ethically, creatively, and curiously, not to conquer, but to connect. Conclusion: the most important hack. In the end, the greatest hack might not be breaking out, but waking up within. AI could help us realize that even if this is a simulation, it still feels real. We still love, dream, cry, and create. That matters. But if we can use AI to glimpse the deeper reality behind the pixels and particles, we might also find something even more powerful: meaning. And maybe that's the point of the simulation in the first place. Summary in 3 simple points. 1. AI can help detect glitches in reality by spotting patterns, testing physics, and reverse engineering the universe. 2. AI might be able to message the creators of the simulation or explore the edges of our digital world. 3. The final goal isn't to escape, but to understand. AI can help us become conscious players in the game of life.